Today I'm taking on the challenge of making the most delicious Ziegoyner Schnitzel from scratch. Let's see if I can nail it. Today, you're in for a real treat as we dive into making mouth-watering Zigeuner Schnitzel. This classic dish brings together tender schnitzel and a zesty bell pepper sauce that'll make your taste buds dance. Seriously, it's a flavor explosion you just can't miss. By the way, the recipe for the Ziegoyner Schnitzel can be found in the posts of my channel. But please, watch this video first till the end. You know, a lot of folks struggle with balancing flavors and textures when they tackle schnitzel. It's so easy to end up with dry meat or a sauce that's just, well, flat. This usually happens because the meat gets overcooked or the sauce is missing that special oomph. And trust me, we definitely want to avoid that. To keep your schnitzel juicy and delicious, be sure not to overcook it. You want it to be golden brown on the outside but still tender and moist on the inside. Don't hold back on those fresh ingredients for the sauce. They're what really makes your dish shine. Fresh bell peppers, onions, and garlic add so much flavor and excitement. Now let's get into the preparation because that's where the magic really happens. First off, make sure your meat is pounded thin. This not only helps it cook evenly, but also keeps it super tender. You can use a meat mallet or even a rolling pin, whatever works for you. And fresh breadcrumbs? Oh, they're a must. They cling to the meat better and give you that perfect crunch that everyone loves. You can make your own by toasting some bread and then blitzing it in a food processor, or you can grab some from the store if you're in a pinch. Adding fresh parsley and a sprinkle of lemon zest can really brighten up your dish too. It's those little touches that make a big difference. Never underestimate the magic of seasoning. A little salt and pepper can turn a good schnitzel into something truly amazing. As we go through this recipe, I'll guide you step by step through the essential ingredients for both the schnitzel and the sauce. For the schnitzel, you'll need some pork cutlets, flour, eggs, and those fresh breadcrumbs we just talked about. And for that irresistible sauce, gather up some colorful bell peppers, onions, garlic, and a splash of heavy cream. The cream adds a luscious texture that makes the sauce oh so smooth and rich. When it's time to plate your Ziegoyner Schnitzel, take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and enticing aromas that come together for a stunning presentation. And oh, that first bite! It's all about the satisfying crunch of the schnitzel paired with that creamy, smooth sauce. The flavors should be rich and savory, with just a hint of spice to keep things interesting. Your friends and family are going to be seriously impressed. So we've crafted a delicious Ziegoyner Schnitzel that's not just a meal, but a celebration of flavors and the joy of cooking from scratch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my other cooking videos for more delicious dishes. Check out the ingredients and instructions in my posts on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.